Would you like to know why the Mazda2 Hybrid is the perfect companion in the city? It's a self-charging hybrid for those who aren't ready or don't have the opportunity to plug in and charge. This is made possible by its innovative powertrain. A combustion engine works together with two electric motors to drive the car. When braking, the electric motors work as generators and charge the battery. As a result, the car drives really efficiently. Much less energy is lost than with conventional combustion engines. On the display, you can even see your car's energy flow. The smart hybrid technology switches seamlessly to the most efficient power source for each driving situation. The eCVT transmission is continuously variable and designed for efficiency. It keeps the motor in ideal speed ranges and has a very compact design. This means that the hybrid technology can also be accommodated in such a compact city car, and at the same time leaves plenty of space in the interior. The Mazda2 Hybrid is a really good choice if you're looking for fuel efficiency and the perfect size for an urban vehicle.